Okay, well, the first thing that will control is what your construction contract said. So you'll need to review the actual construction contract with your contractor to determine if there's any special provisions that would control whether you're required to make repairs, whether the contractor is, and what damages are available for those defects. Absent any contractual provisions that specify the who, what, where on that issue, generally in the common law, you're not required to make repairs unless there would be additional damages that would follow from it. Think of a hole in your roof. If you just let the hole exist for the whole pendency of your lawsuit, other damages would obviously occur to your house, in which case you will not be able to recover all of those damages because you will have failed to mitigate those damages. So in those scenarios, you are required to make the repairs. But if there's not going to be additional damages that would flow from it, such that you're not required to mitigate those additional damages, then no, you don't have to make the repairs during the pendency of the lawsuit. As far as recovery of those damages, it depends on the magnitude of the defects and the cost of repairs. If it's a simple roof repair or something of that sort, you generally will cover the cost to repair. However, Florida also has the economic waste doctrine, which would specify that in a case where the cost to repair is so unreasonable or gratuitous, think in terms of like totaling your car. Instead of getting the whole cost to repair and rebuild a building, you get the diminution in value, that is the value of the home with the defect versus the value of the home without the defect. That would be your actual measure of damages. And so in some cases, even though you have paid to repair it and that cost might be in excess of the diminution of value, your recovery would be limited to the diminution of value. These are very fact-specific issues, and there is that layer of contractual analysis that would be layered on top of it. You really need to review that with your attorney in order to determine what recovery you're entitled to.